What up, LoyalT'S family? What's the deal, man? You already know how this go, nigga. We got another reaction video. Let's get it reacting to a little weirdo. Song's called Ghetto Birds and Thugs. Man, free my boy, man. I don't know what the fuck he did, but free my boy, man. Free little weirdo, man. Y'all know he's one of my favorite artists to react to, far as from San Diego. You feel me? And if y'all know some new and up and coming artists that I need to react to, right? That I have to react to, y'all comment below and let me know. That's from San Diego, Texas. I don't give a fuck where they from. Just let me know. Comment below. But like I said, let's get straight into it, man. Comment 5 stars, being nice, 1 star, being the lowest, and send me over for every clip I show you. Let's get straight into it, man. Like I said, let's press record. Let's press play. Free my nigga, man. I don't know what the fuck he did. Like I said, I don't know, man.
That's if you're not in the life. But if you in the streets, everybody across the country in the streets know what's up with Dago in the streets.
Y'all know who that is, nigga. The motherfucking
We out there Dago and shit. Real live, SD California. We on the map, nigga. Don't act like you don't know.
Aye, look it, hey, where I'm from, the ghetto bars chase thugs, but they get away. Get street love, hard body, and straight legs. I was around real killers before they caught their case. And still be around the ones that got away. Man, cocaine, it was a cold case, but that's my bro, man. And we don't do the fake tripping, we get up on things, ain't really built like that.
I swear to God.
Aye, look it, hey, where I'm from, the ghetto bars chase thugs, but they get away. Get street love, hard body, and straight legs. I was around real killers before they caught their case. And still be around the ones that got away. Man, cocaine, it was a cold case, but that's my bro, man. And we don't do the fake tripping, we get up on things, ain't really built like that. Fuck what his song say. Got kush, pills, and cocaine like I'm on job. Got our muscle in, but we ain't talking about lifting weights. Follow program or get locked.
This nigga, I swear, I don't know what happened, right? But you know, it's player mob. That's what he was. That's what he is. You feel me? But he on some other timing with this shit now, bro. He's like more direct talking shit to certain niggas.
I was around real killers before they caught their case. And still be around the ones that got away. Man, cocaine, it was a cold case, but that's my bro, man. And we don't do the fake tripping, we get up on things, ain't really built like that. Fuck what his song say. Got kush, pills, and cocaine like I'm on job. Got our muscle in, but we ain't talking about lifting weights. Follow program or get lined up and fall in place. She know I'm him, I'm the one like Hardaway. I hit first, they made a movie like I'm Ray J. What's up with it, P? Hey, can't you see? They try to bully everybody, but ain't fucking with me. They know what's up with a P. I ain't coming in peace. They start tripping, I'll get with it and start flipping the scene.
Oh my God, bro.
No, I'm him, I'm the one like Hardaway. I hit first, they made a movie like I'm Ray J. What's up with it, P? Hey, can't you see? They try to bully everybody, but ain't fucking with me. They know what's up with a P. I ain't coming in peace. They start tripping, I'll get with it and start flipping the scene. Man, basically a youngin' out here popping, so they hated me. Keep that yank on me, boy. Think you fighting me? I ain't a pup, I'm a pit bull, homie, majorly. Home run hits up out of 10 like the major leagues. Speak on the team, you know it's problems when you facing me. Buck 50s and buck shots, hey, can you hang with them back bitches for pussy? Man, you dead.
What the? That's on my
Tripping, I'll get with it and start flipping the scene. Man, basically a youngin' out here popping, so they hated me. Keep that yank on me, boy. Think you fighting me? I ain't a pup, I'm a pit bull, homie, majorly. Home run hits up out of 10 like the major leagues. Speak on the team, you know it's problems when you facing me. Buck 50s and buck shots, hey, can you hang with them back bitches for pussy? Man, you damn near raping them. They be throwing that shit at me. I don't even be taking it, they be faking it. Hey, but it is what it is. And you sliding with some fools with the shit. Look. And they don't do anything for they rep if they don't say it with their chest and they talking out their neck. Can't respect that. Push up on them, see where his head at. Go ahead and pocket check him like, homie, see where his bread at. Then we pull up on him and shoot it to him, I'll be fed at.
And I be in that bitch head like.
No, nigga. What? What's happening on my body?
And they don't do anything for they rep if they don't say it with their chest and they talking out their neck. Can't respect that. Push up on him, see where his head at. Go ahead and pocket check him like, homie, see where his bread at. Then we pull up on him and shoot it to him, I'll be fed at.
And I be in that bitch head like a headache.
All gas, no break, homie. I pump your brakes, homie. Put it to your face, homie. What you gon' say, homie? Stay in your lane, homie. I ain't with the plane, homie. Don't do the old or new friends, cause fools change on you. If I got no change on me, I'ma take your chain, homie.
Nigga.
In that bitch
One more time.
All gas, no brake, homie. I pump your brakes, homie. Put it to your face, homie. What you gon' say, homie? Stay in your lane, homie. I ain't with the plane, homie. Don't do the old or new friends, cause fools change on you. If I ain't got no change on me, I'ma take your chain, homie. You acting like a bitch. Always trying to explain, homie. Still in these streets, like fuck this little fame, homie. And if you trippin', I'm trippin', it ain't a thing to me.
If you tripping, it ain't a thing, nigga. You know what it is, nigga. You know, y'all know who we talking to. Free my nigga Lil Weirdo, man. Y'all know how I'm coming, nigga. Free my nigga Lil Weirdo, man. Shout out Drew Shot You, man. Yeah, I'm talking about shout out Drew Shot You. Free Lil Weirdo. Free all the dudes, man. Free all the guys, man. Free Peso. You know, I don't know what's going on. Free Smokey GM. I don't know if they still fuck with each other or whatever the case may be. But for Smokey GM too, you know, that was another dude I fucked with. But y'all know this. Go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share it to your auntie, your granny, and your motherfucking man. You did.